Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Today, the Guru is going to show you some tools that we've been using. And beyond that, I'm not sure what he's going to talk about. Here's the Compressor Guru.
Thank you. Thank you, camera wife. It's like living with Gracie Allen. So a while back, we've done some tool reviews.
Oh, Gracie Allen. I thought you said Crazy Allen, and I'm like, who's Crazy Allen? Gracie. You mean like George and Gracie?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, God.
Never mind.
Okay, guys, it's going to be a short episode because we're just going to give a couple long-term reviews of some tools we put up before. The first one I really want to stress, actually I want to stress them both, but we're going to do the good and the bad. But we're going to do them in reverse order, the bad and the good. So a while back I found these snap ring pliers from Titan. We put some reviews up of some Titan tools. One of them that we reviewed, or one of them we bought and put in our own toolbox, was Titan snap ring pliers. Now we sell a lot of Titan tools. I have some Titan tools, and Titan is a Chinese tool company. And I would say 90% of their products I strongly recommend. They're lifetime warranty, they work as designed, and so on, except for these. These are the Titan pliers. These are snap ring pliers. They have several different heads. They are internal, external, and the idea is beautiful. They easily reverse with a flip of a little toggle on a spring. The problem is they don't work as presented. Recently they work if they don't get under much stress. But if you have a Titan...
You mean like me?
Yeah, you're a lot of stress, baby. So recently I had them in a little tight spot. I was getting a snap ring out of an Ingersoll piston, and I got a hold of them, and as soon as I squeezed on them, they twisted, and I couldn't get the right torque on them, and I couldn't get the snap ring out. I ended up going to an old set of snap ring pliers and doing it. These are not recommended. I even had a comment on the channel. Some guy broke down along the road, went and bought these, paid twice as much as we were selling them for, and then cursed me out on the channel. And after I see what he was looking at, these work fine if you're using them for very light stuff. But guys, snap rings never come out easy. These are a big X. I'm actually going to take the old video down where we found them and said, these are really cool, aren't they? Well, they're really cool, and they really don't work. So anyway, this is a don't buy. Stay right there, and we're going to show you a do buy, or a doobie. I'm not one of those guys. We're going to show you a do buy. And so give me just a second and we'll grab that tool. Here's the other tool. This is the Flexzilla, or Legacy, model number AT8535FZ, like Franklin Zebra. And this comes in a kit. It comes with a swivel, it comes with an air hose, it comes with your tool, of course, and it works. It works well. I bought this for myself for my birthday several years ago and put it in service at the shop. I use it all the time. Now, there's a couple downsides. If you like to buy a tool and work with it, you are going to have to either have clean hands, because this screen gets dirty and it won't come clean, or don't worry about it. Let it get stained, and it's honest dirt. The hose is green. The hose says, hey, you work with this. That's one downside. And possibly the biggest downside of this tool is the adjustment. The adjustment works. You turn it up, you have more speed, a little more torque. You turn it down, you have less speed, a little less torque. But the problem is the adjustment is hard to turn. I actually use a screwdriver in the little slot. There is a slot for it, so I think this was something they said, this is going to be hard to turn, we better build a slot into it. This tool, after a 2-year review, is a definite buy. Contact me if you want one. We still have them. I imagine we still have them in stock at the warehouse too. But anyway, this is a buy.
But it's only lightweight things. It's not like a big heavy impact.
No, this is an air ratchet. An air ratchet just spins bolts, and I think the maximum torque on this is 30 pound. I may be wrong or I may be correct, but I think it's 30 pound. So it's not like you're putting lug nuts onto this. This mini air ratchet is still a buy, even with the fact that you can't keep the green clean, and even with the fact that you may need to use a screwdriver to adjust the... Oh my, what's wrong, Val?
Green clean.
Even though you may have to use a screwdriver to adjust the torque on it. So guys, this is a cool tool. The Titan,
And it's lime green. I like the color.
okay, this is a cool tool. The Titan snap ring pliers, throw them away. Make them garage art or something. I'm sorry I recommended them to those that bought them. But this Flexzilla air ratchet is definitely a buy. We have one other we're going to do on. We have one other Titan that has not been reviewed on this channel, and we did sell a set to a customer. Customer is very dissatisfied. We're taking them back. We're selling them gear wrench, and we're going to show those tools in the near future, and we're going to show you why those aren't a buy either. But the Titan reversible box and ratchet wrenches are not a buy either. That's upcoming. Guys, short episode. Don't buy the snap ring from Titan. Do buy the air ratchet from Flexzilla, and if you want any air ratchets or any other tools, give me a call. Reach me through thecompressorguru.com. God bless. Have a great day. By the way, it's day 11 post-surgery, and I have a new knee. Things are going good, but I'm not going to be back in the shop for a little while. God bless. Have a great day.